We're on a boat. Help Lisa find the fruit. Move the boat. Drive the boat and grab all the fruits. Apples. Bananas. You almost have them all. Grapes. Yay! You got all the fruit.